Hi, and welcome to this video tutorial from TrainSignal. Here I will be showing you how to insert a YouTube video right into your SlideShare presentation, and you can do this in just 5 easy steps. The first step is to create your presentation as you normally would. Now, I have a presentation open right now that I've created using PowerPoint 2007, but you can really use a number of programs, as long as the file you're uploading is one of SlideShare's acceptable file formats. So I already have step 1 complete, which is to create a presentation. The next step is to upload that presentation to SlideShare. And for that, let's switch over to our internet browser. I'm using Firefox, and I already have the web page up to SlideShare. Now, if you already have a SlideShare account, all you have to do is log in with your account, username, and password, or you can sign up for a new account off to the left. But let me just sign in real quick. And that should take you to your standard homepage. From here, if you'd like to upload a presentation, which is our next step, click on the Upload button at the top of the page. And on the Upload page, you should see a button called Browse and Select Files. Go ahead, click that button to open up a dialog box where you can navigate to wherever your files are located on your computer. I've placed mine on my desktop. And you can see here I've got 2 presentations, how to insert a YouTube video on SlideShare. One is saved as a PDF and one is saved as a PowerPoint 97 to 2003 presentation. Keep in mind, SlideShare does not accept PowerPoint 2007 file format, so be sure if you are using PowerPoint 2007 like I am, make sure you save it to either a PDF or an earlier file format like the 97 to 2003 file format. I usually like to use PDFs mainly because it just ensures that all of my graphics and fonts upload properly to SlideShare. So I'm going to select that PDF file and click Open. When your file is complete, you might want to scroll down. You could add information like tags, a description, choose what category to publish it to, and choose privacy. Now, right now, I'm going to make sure that only me can see it. You might want to choose that option as well, as we're not going to be totally done with our presentation. Since we are inserting a YouTube video, that's not a step that we can do from this screen. That's a step that comes later. So I usually like to set the privacy option to only me first, and then publish. Now, it might take a little while to publish your files. You can refresh your page or click the little button that says here, and it'll take you to a slightly different screen. It'll show you the progress of what your file is doing. And there's my presentation right there. Now that it's uploaded to SlideShare, the very next step is to go through and edit that presentation. I know that seems kind of weird. You've uploaded it and now you're going to go to edit, but click that edit button off to the right, and now you should see a tab up top called Insert YouTube Videos. Click on that tab. And once you're on the Insert the YouTube Videos tab, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see a section that says Enter YouTube Video URL. And you can find the URL to a video on YouTube right next to the standard page where that video displays. Off to the right, you'll see the URL box. All you've got to do is copy, Control-C, that address, and paste it right in the Enter YouTube Video URL. So there's our address. The next step is to tell SlideShare where SlideShare is going to place or enter that video within your presentation. Now, for my presentation, I'm just going to slap that at the very end. So I'm going to choose after slide 28. And once you have the address in there and where that video is going to play, all you've got to do is click Insert and Publish, which might take a little bit of time. After that's done, you should see a message that says this video has been successfully inserted into your presentation. You can view it here. Go ahead, click that link and try it out. There's my presentation. If I skip all the way to the end, you should see that YouTube video display on that last slide. And that is inserting a YouTube video into SlideShare.